I'm Mark, and this is the story of Vila Pinheiro. Our story begins with a dream to live simply, self sufficiently, and in harmony with the land. For years, my wife and I imagined a life beyond the city, rooted in nature and guided by care for earth, people, and the future. Portugal called to us for its Mediterranean climate, its rich traditions of agroforestry, and its welcoming spirit. We searched for years, and when our children completed university, the time was right. We found Vila Pinheiro, a 1 hectare valley site in Landal, central Portugal. Once a holiday home, it became the canvas for our regenerative vision. Our vision was clear. Vila Pinheiro would become a sustainable homestead, a living classroom, and a regenerative hub, a place where tradition meets innovation, where permaculture principles, Ayurveda, and the Bonsai way could come together in practice. The land itself taught us. A seasonal stream runs through the valley, offering abundance for 9 months of the year. The soils, rich but tired, needed rebuilding. Surrounding forests brought both risks of fire and gifts of biodiversity. We learned to listen to patterns of wind, water, and sun, and let them shape our designs. At Vila Pinheiro, each design became part of a larger whole. We designed for water self-sufficiency. We worked toward food self-sufficiency, cultivating orchards, kitchen gardens, and guilds of trees, shrubs, herbs, and animals. We created an Ayurvedic food forest, blending ancient Indian plant wisdom with Mediterranean ecosystems. Our silviculture design regenerates woodland, weaving sacred geometry with coppicing and companion planting. Animals, such as goats, chickens, and ducks, will join as partners to regenerate soil and biodiversity through rotational grazing. Each project is connected, feeding into the next, forming a living ecosystem. This is not just about land, it is about people, about students learning to grow bonsai sustainably, about neighbors joining in food harvests, about creating a hub where ancient wisdom and modern design come together. Vila Pinheiro is as much about community as it is about ecology. We face challenges, financial constraints, fire risks, degraded soils, and the sheer scale of regenerating a monoculture landscape. But permaculture teaches patience, humility, and presence. Each obstacle became a lesson, each design cycle an opportunity to adapt, refine, and grow. Today, Vila Pinheiro is more than a homestead. It is a seedbed of ideas. Where the future is nurtured, it is our story, our classroom, and our contribution to the future.